Hello everyone, welcome to your Ignition Martial Arts tutorial. I am Alvin Brown, owner of Ignition Martial Arts Academy. This tutorial is going to be one of many tutorials that will be filmed throughout San Diego, which is where our martial arts school is located. Although this tutorial is a very powerful tool, it is not meant to replace your in-person class training, so make sure you attend your classes regularly to accompany this tutorial. That being said, let's get to the video. Once again, welcome everyone to the tutorial. Today we'll be going over our grappling wheel with Alberto Aguilar and Jack Pham. Alberto is on top, and we're going to start in top guard where Jack's going to lock his legs, and Alberto has his hands right there at his abdomen and his right knee right there in the hips for top guard. From there, Alberto's going to break the guard by extending his body, making his body big, pressing on the abdomen while extending his leg back. From here, he's going to post his left leg, and from there, he's going to use his elbow as a third hand to press the leg down right in front of his left leg, and then he's going to drop that left knee right across and cross his right knee as to stop Jack from getting him in half guard. And then he's going to bring that left knee on out and go into side mount. Now, side mount, from here, we're going to keep the pressure on our opponent, and we're going to control his head and his hips with our knees and elbows on either side. Now, from here, we're going to go into Kesa. Now, in the chance that our opponent has their hands under there, we can go into Kesa Gatame, so we can move his hand out. But right now, he's going to bring his bring his right knee under and go into Kesa Gatame while controlling his arm and his head, while having the back palm right there across the circumference of the ears. Now from here, we're going to go back into side mount, basically just reversing the process, keeping the pressure on. From here, we have a lot of different arm bars and submissions that we can go to. And from here, we're going to go ahead and trap the hips on our opponent's right side and transition to north-south, where our body is right on top of our opponent going the opposite direction. We have our abdomen right there at our opponent's head to control, and we can either trap the hips or put our hands right on top of their abdomen to add a little pressure. Now from here, we're going to control our opponent's left tricep, and we're going to transition to reverse Kesa, where it's Kesa Gatame, except we're facing our opponent's legs this time, and we have our back, our lower back right there, putting pressure on the head. Now from here, we're going to add a little pressure to that to make our opponent comply and turn his knees, so we can slide our left knee right over the top, going into top mount. So that concludes all of our basic positions for the grappling wheel. Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you in the next video.